Hello everyone, welcome back to Code with Akshi. In today's Python mini project, we are going to build a countdown timer using Python. Don't worry if you're a beginner. I will explain every line of a code in simple way. First, we need to import time. Means a module is simply a collection of useful functions that is already provided by the Python. Today we are using the import time module because it contains the sleep function. After this, we need to print a welcome message. So the print function is used here. After this, we need to take the input from the user. So we are using the input function. However, whatever the user enter is stored as text if we only take input. So we are using int to convert the text into an integer. Finally, the value which is entered by the user is stored inside the variable called seconds. For example, if the user entered 10, then the variable second stores the value 10. Okay, after this, notice that after entering the number, nothing else happened. That's because we have only taken the input. We haven't written the countdown logic yet. Next, just before starting the countdown, let's display a message. So we will use the print that has countdown started. Okay, after this, we need to write the countdown loop. This is the important part. So we are using the for loop. A for loop, it repeats the same block of code multiple times. So inside the loop, we are using the range function. The first value is seconds, which is our starting point, and the second value is 0, which means the loop will stop before reaching the 0. And the third value is -1, which tells Python to decrease the value by 1 after every iteration. Okay. Next, we need to write our logic. That is, minutes is equal to I and then the double forward slash and then 60. Here, the double slash operator, it is written as double forward slash. It performs floor division. And next, the percentage symbol called the modulus operator, it gives the remaining seconds. So we will write remaining seconds is equal to I module 60. That is, for example, if the value is star 75 seconds, then 75 divided by 60 gives us 1 minute. And the remaining 15 seconds are calculated using the modulus operator. So by the output, you will understand this. Okay. Next, we what need to display. So we are using f string. The 0 2, that means always display two digits. For example, instead of showing only 5, Python will display 0 5. Similarly, 9 becomes 0 9. This makes our timer look like a real digital clock. So we are using this. Okay. After this, we need to print our timer. That is the formatted timer. During every iteration of the loop, Python displays the current countdown value. At this point, our timer is ready. But if we run the program now, all the numbers will appear instantly. That's not how a real countdown works. So let's fix that. So we need to write as time.sleep. This is the most important line in this project. So remember the time module we imported at the beginning. Now we are using one of its function called sleep. The value inside the bracket tells Python how many seconds to wait, which means the program pauses exactly 1 second before displaying the next countdown value. Okay. Next, in the output, the statements which is written in the print that tells that our countdown has been ended, and that's a message for the user. Okay. Let me run. This is the output what we get. We need to enter the countdown in seconds. Okay, for example, if I enter 5, okay, the output, it takes what 1 seconds to give the output and it displays time's up and it will only run till the 5 seconds only as I given the countdown in seconds as I've entered. Okay, next, let me try with another output where I will give the countdown in seconds as 10. See how it works, how the output it gives. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is how it works. Yes. Okay, congratulations. You have successfully built your own countdown timer using Python. In this project, we have learned about the time module variables, user input, and for loops, range, flow division, modulus operated, formatted string, and the sleep function. And these concepts are very useful and will help you to build even more Python projects in the future. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Code with Akshi for more beginner friendly Python tutorials and mini projects. And thanks for watching. Happy coding.